Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 3 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The E-Flite Turbo Timber 1.5M BNF Basic, EFL 15250, is a high-performance RC airplane designed for intermediate to experienced pilots. Featuring advanced technology and versatile design, this aircraft is part of E-Flite's popular Timber series and comes factory-equipped with AS3X and Safe Select stabilization systems for smoother flight and optional in-flight assistance. The Turbo Timber 1.5M is a BNF, Bind and Fly, basic model, meaning it comes pre-assembled and includes a factory-installed Spectrum receiver but requires a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger, sold separately. The model also includes optional floats, allowing for both land and water takeoffs and landings. Key highlights include a powerful brushless motor, efficient 3-blade propeller, and functional LED navigation, landing, and strobe lights, enhancing visibility and realism. The aircraft also features flaps for SOL, short takeoff and landing, capability, making it suitable for smaller flying fields and rugged environments. Its durable, lightweight EPO foam construction provides excellent strength and easy repairability. With Safe Select technology, pilots can enable or disable flight envelope protection and self-leveling features at the flip of a switch, ideal for beginners or as a safety backup. Meanwhile, AS3X provides precise handling in windy or turbulent conditions without interfering with control input. The Turbo Timber 1.5M offers exceptional performance, capable of flying aerobatics, slow flight, and off-field landings. Its robust landing gear with oversized Tundra-style wheels adds to its all-terrain versatility. Overall, the E-Flite Turbo Timber 1.5M BNF Basic is a reliable and fun RC plane with a wide flight envelope and multiple flying options, whether on grass, gravel, snow, or water. It's a favorite among RC enthusiasts for its blend of stability, power, and versatility. Number 2. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a beginner-friendly, remote-controlled, RC airplane designed for kids and adults alike. It operates on a 2.4 GHz 2-channel system, offering stable, interference-free control, making it ideal for first-time flyers. Built from durable EPP foam, the FX803 is lightweight and resilient, capable of withstanding minor crashes without serious damage, perfect for learning and outdoor use. One of its standout features is the built-in 6-axis gyro system, which enhances flight stability and helps maintain level flight. This built-in stabilization makes takeoffs, turns, and landings smoother and more manageable, especially for beginners. The plane mimics the design of a real Cessna 182 aircraft, giving it an appealing, realistic look. With a wingspan of about 15.7 inches, 400 millimeters, and a flight time of approximately 15 to 20 minutes per charge, the FX803 balances portability and performance. Its twin-motor setup provides enough thrust for easy control and steady gliding, while the 2-channel control, throttle and direction, simplifies operation, focusing on ease over complexity. The aircraft charges via USB, making it convenient for quick recharges between flights. Its 2.4 GHz transmitter allows multiple planes to fly simultaneously without signal interference, ideal for group play. In summary, the Makerfire FX803 RC airplane is an excellent, low-cost option for beginners looking to get into RC flying. Its user-friendly design, crash-resistant build, and stabilization system make it well-suited for kids, teens, and adults learning to fly. It's a fun, educational toy that promotes hand-eye coordination and introduces basic flight dynamics in a safe, enjoyable way. While it lacks advanced features for experienced hobbyists, it excels as a starter plane for casual outdoor flying. Number 3. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a user-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids, offering a fun and accessible flying experience. This lightweight and durable aircraft features 3 intelligent flight modes, allowing users of all skill levels to enjoy stable and responsive control. The modes include beginner, intermediate, and expert, making it easy to grow your skills as you become more comfortable with flying. One of the standout features is its easy U-turn function, which allows the plane to reverse direction smoothly with the press of a button. This adds a level of convenience and safety, especially for beginners who may have trouble with manual turns. The aircraft is made from flexible EPP foam, which provides excellent crash resistance and durability without adding weight, helping it stay airborne more easily and recover from minor impacts. The Leambe RC plane is powered by a coreless motor system and comes with a 2.4 GHz remote control, ensuring stable signal transmission with minimal interference, even when flying with others. The controls are intuitive, and the plane includes gyroscopic stabilization, which automatically helps correct the plane's balance during flight, making takeoffs and landings much easier. It also includes LED lights for better visibility, especially in lower light conditions, and typically comes with rechargeable batteries that offer several minutes of flight time per charge. With its compact design and beginner-friendly features, this RC plane is a great gift for hobbyists, families, and kids who want to explore the joy of remote-controlled aviation. Overall, the Leambe RC aircraft delivers a balance of fun, learning, and flight performance for all ages.